Hello friends, in this class we are going to discussing about organic spectroscopy, that is UV spectroscopy, absorption shifts. My topic is today absorption shifts. These absorption shifts are four types. These are bathochromic shift. Bathochromic shift is also called as red shift, and hypsochromic shift. Hypsochromic shift is also called as blue shift, and third one, that is hypochromic shift. That is last one, hypochromic shift. These are the four types of shifts of absorption. These four shifts effects on the absorption. Simply these shifts, I discussing these shifts one by one. Now simply these four shifts shows in a graph in between the intensity absorption of maximum and maximum wavelength. I draw a graph in between the intensity of absorption maximum and lambda maximum. These four shifts simply shows in a graph. You can see this is the bathochromic shift. This is the hypsochromic shift. Now this is the hyperchromic shift. It is the hypochromic shift. These are four effects on absorption. Okay. Now one by one we are discussing. First one, that is bathochromic shift. Before we go into this bathochromic shift, we know the visible region, that is 400 nanometers to 800 nanometer in between the visible region. In this visible region from violet to red, VIBGYOR, we see the VIBGYOR. Okay. Now, what is bathochromic shift? Bathochromic shift is an effect due to the increasing the wavelength of maximum, increasing the maximum wavelength in the presence of oxochrome. That shift is called as bathochromic shift. Simply example, that bathochromic shift is also called as red shift. Simply I give you an example. For example, a benzene, that is chromophore. We know that this chromophore is having a 250 nanometers maximum wavelength, which is treated with in the presence of oxochrome. Bathochromic shift is an effect due to increasing the maximum wavelength in the presence of oxochrome. That is, oxochrome is nothing but amine. Oxochrome, that is example. Oxochrome, that is amine. When benzene, this is chromophore, which is treated with oxochrome to form aniline. Here wavelength is increasing 280 nanometers. This is the shift, bathochromic shift. Increasing the maximum wavelength in the presence of oxochrome is called as bathochromic shift. Okay, understand? Now the second one, that is hypsochromic shift. Now we can see the second one, hypsochromic shift. Second one, that is hypsochromic shift. Hypsochromic shift is an effect due to decreasing the maximum wavelength in the absence of oxochrome. For example, the shift is called as hypsochromic shift. For example, you can take the aniline. Aniline having a 280 nanometers maximum wavelength, which is protonation takes place having lone pair to form a anilinium ion. Then it decreases this maximum wavelength to 257 nanometer. This is the example of hypsochromic shift. Here again I can define this hypsochromic shift. Hypsochromic shift is an effect. It is due to hypsochromic shift is an effect due to the decreasing the wavelength of maximum in the absence of oxochrome. Is called as hypsochromic shift. Okay. This hypsochromic shift is also called as blue shift because of decreasing wavelength. Here increasing wavelength and decreasing wavelength here. Okay. This is the blue shift. This is the red shift. Okay. Are you understand this hypsochromic shift? Next one, that is hyperchromic shift. Next one, that is hyperchromic shift. This hyperchromic shift and hypochromic shift, which is based on the intensity of absorption maximum. Now you can see the hyperchromic shift, that is third one, hyperchromic shift. Hyperchromic shift is an effect due to increasing the intensity of absorption maximum is called as hyperchromic shift. Okay, simply this hyperchromic shift is an effect due to increasing the intensity of absorption maximum is called as hyperchromic shift. Okay, simply for example, this hyperchromic shift, you can take the pyridine. This pyridine has intensity of absorption maximum 2750 E maximum, intensity of absorption maximum 2750. Whenever a bulky group is attacking in this ortho position, whenever a bulky group is attacking in this ortho group, then its intensity maximum, its intensity absorption maximum is increases. That is 3560 absorption maximum, intensity of absorption maximum is increasing. Okay, we can understand this hyperchromic shift. Next one, that is hypochromic shift. Now we can see the next one, hypochromic shift. Hyperchromic shift. Hypochromic shift is an effect due to the decreasing the intensity of absorption maximum is called as hypochromic shift. Simply for example, Again, hypochromic shift is nothing but hypochromic shift is an effect due to the decreasing the absorption of intensity of maximum is called as hypochromic shift. Now you can see the example of hypochromic shift. For example, biphenyl groups. Biphenyl group. Biphenyl group having a high intensity maximum, that is 19,000 intensity maximum. Whenever this biphenyl group attacking the bulky group, then it decrease the intensity of absorption of maximum, that is 10,500 intensity of absorption maximum. Okay, are you understand this absorption shifts? That is bathochromic shift, hypsochromic shift, hyperchromic shift and hypochromic shifts. I hope you can understand these absorption shifts and examples. Thank you.